Five fingers. Add one finger equals 6 fingers. Six rabbits. Add one rabbit equals 7 rabbits, which means 6 plus 1 equals 7. Six fingers. Add one finger equals 7 fingers. Seven rabbits. Add one rabbit equals 8 rabbits. This means 7 plus 1 equals 8. Seven fingers. Add one finger equals 8 fingers. Eight rabbits. Add one rabbit equals 9 rabbits. This means 8 plus 1 equals 9. Eight fingers. Add one finger equals 9 fingers. Nine rabbits. Add one rabbit equals 10 rabbits. This means in equation we have 9 plus 1 equals 10. Nine fingers. Add one finger equals 10 fingers.
Great job, everybody! Teacher Ho, you will practice with your mommy and daddy. See you next class. Bye!